You need to try this if you want to get rid of a persistent problem. Start with a larger flower pot. Apply glue to the bottom and stick it to a saucer to keep everything stable. Then take two smaller pots. Glue one upside down inside the large pot, using the rim, and attach the second one on top of it, this time with the bottom facing down. Fill the space around them with decorative stones. They'll keep everything in place and add a nice visual touch. Into the center pot, add a few tablespoons of ground coffee. Its rich aroma is energizing for people, but repels some unwanted visitors. Now it's citrus time. Slice a lemon and a lime into thick rounds and layer them on the stones. Their sharp, fresh scent purifies the air and stimulates the senses. Add a few fresh mint leaves for a cooling and refreshing effect. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil, known for its relaxing properties and strong scent that comes with extra benefits. Pour in a little lighter fluid and finally, light the coffee mixture with the oil. The slow-burning smoke keeps mosquitoes away from your balcony or patio. It's a simple, natural way to enjoy summer evenings without annoying insects. Give this trick a try. Put it in vinegar and see how it works. Prepare a tall container and take a mosquito coil, which repels insects with its intense smell. Break it into smaller pieces so it releases its properties faster. Then pour in a little vinegar, which acts as a disinfectant and helps neutralize odors. Add a bit of alcohol, which enhances the mixture's effect and helps spread the smell through the air more quickly. Finally, add a bit of fragrance liquid, such as air freshener or fabric softener, which will give a pleasant aroma and mask the strong smell of the mixture. Mix everything well. Prepare a spray bottle and transfer the finished mixture into it. Now you can spray areas in the house, especially in the kitchen where insects often appear. In the garden, spray the areas around the entrance, the terrace, or places where you spend time to create a fragrant barrier for mosquitoes. You can also use it at doors and windows to limit the entry of insects into the house. This is an effective homemade solution for mosquitoes. Stop buying chemicals in stores. This way, you can get rid of mosquitoes in seconds. All you need is a simple glass container and some water. Then, add 2 solid tablespoons of coffee. Coffee has insect-repelling properties due to its strong scent, which effectively discourages mosquitoes. The next ingredient is cloves. Known for their strong antibacterial properties, they also repel mosquitoes. Add a handful of cloves to the mixture. Then, pour in a little olive oil, which helps retain the scent for longer. The olive oil also creates a thin layer that prevents the mixture from drying out. Now, prepare a wax wick for candles and place it on top of the mixture. Your mosquito candle is ready. Place it in the garden or on the terrace, light it, and you'll quickly get rid of mosquitoes. Thanks to the combination of coffee, cloves, and olive oil, the candle emits a strong scent that effectively repels mosquitoes. The warm smoke from the wick creates a protective barrier that insects avoid. You can also place it in the living room or bedroom, and its scent works as a natural repellent, creating a pleasant atmosphere while keeping mosquitoes at bay. Not a single mosquito will appear in the room. This is how you catch all the mosquitoes in your garden and home. My grandma showed me a brilliantly simple trap that works surprisingly well. All you need is a regular bucket. Pour in about 1 quart of warm water. Then add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. As it starts to ferment, it releases carbon dioxide, which is exactly what attracts mosquitoes. Next, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and stir until it fully dissolves. The sugar feeds the yeast and boosts the reaction. To make the trap even more effective, add a tablespoon of dish soap. This lowers the surface tension, so when mosquitoes land, they can't escape and will drown. Place the bucket inside a larger cardboard box. Don't seal it completely. Leave a small gap so insects can fly in. Set the trap outside where mosquitoes are most active. In the garden, on the patio, or near a gazebo. Ever since I started using this trick, evenings outdoors have been peaceful again. Try making one yourself and see how well it works. Mosquitoes hate this smell. They'll stay far away from you. Store-bought sprays are expensive and full of chemicals that irritate your skin. Let me show you a cheap, homemade, all-natural alternative. Pour 1¼ cups of warm water into a tall container. Add 1 tablespoon of dried mint. Its strong, fresh scent effectively repels mosquitoes, which absolutely can't stand it. Then add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. While the aroma is calming for us, it has the opposite effect on mosquitoes. Lavender also soothes the skin and brings relief. Now pour in ½ cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Lemon contains natural oils and acids that mosquitoes can sense from far away. It's one of the most powerful natural repellents. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Its intense, spicy scent is something mosquitoes can't tolerate. It also acts as a preservative for the mixture. Stir everything well and let it sit for an hour so the ingredients can blend. After that, strain the liquid and pour it into a spray bottle. Spray it on your skin before going outside and forget about the itchy bites. Natural, effective, and chemical-free. Mosquitoes and flies will stay away from your home with this cheap trick. If you're tired of annoying insects, try this simple, natural method. Start by preparing clean jars. Cut a few fresh sprigs of mint. Its strong scent repels insects. Place the mint sprigs in the jars. Then add 1 fresh sprig of rosemary to each jar. This herbal, slightly resinous scent also keeps bugs at bay. Next, slice a lemon. Its fresh aroma confuses insects and makes it harder for them to approach the scent source. Add lemon slices to each jar. Now for the lavender. You can use fresh or dried. Its smell is unpleasant for insects. Add a few sprigs of lavender to the jar. Fill the jars with plain water. The water doesn't need to be warm. Add a few drops of natural essential oils, mint, lemon, rosemary, or lavender. These are especially effective at repelling insects. Place floating candles on top of the jars. Light them and you're done. This natural candle with herbs, citrus, and oils not only smells lovely, but effectively repels mosquitoes and flies. Enjoy peaceful time in your garden or on your balcony. Don't throw away your egg carton. Thanks to it, you won't see mosquitoes anymore. I'll show you how to get rid of mosquitoes for good. You don't need to buy expensive products. This will repel mosquitoes effectively without spending a single dollar. First, get an empty egg carton. Cut it into small pieces. It's a brilliant way to use an empty egg carton. You don't have to cut the whole thing at once. You can always cut more pieces later. Now take an empty soda can, cut off the bottom like in the video. You can use a utility knife for this. In the cut-off part of the can, make holes with a nail. A few holes are enough. In the remaining part of the can, cut out a small window. Make 3 perpendicular cuts. You can do this easily again with the utility knife. Now put the can back together. Place it on a table. Put the egg carton pieces inside. Light them. When they start to smoke, close the can. The smoke from the burning cardboard repels mosquitoes. This mini stove is easy to make and works great. Mosquitoes won't come near. They can't stand this kind of smoke. This will repel mosquitoes effectively without spending a single dollar.